Okay, hi Philip. So we are at Gali Gayat now. This is the location that we will be using for the wet test. If possible, can let me know how's the visual going on, like how's the speed of the visual that's on YouTube? Okay, no lag, good. So I'm using mobile data right now.
And so I prefer them for the big days than the simple t-shirt. Maxis.
Maxis.
But I'm not often in operating, so I don't use them for 4G. The guys like Romain, Bashir, Florent, their t-shirts are really almost dead because they're wearing them. Well, they still don't put them on. Evan was in Brazil in December, not at all. Went there to... Yeah, Florent also? Florent is off taking some days off, yeah, because he went to Brazil as well. No, I said December. Actually, it was the beginning of January.
Because
And Florence stayed there longer than ever.
Because Roman said it's like 2 weeks ago.
Yeah, you're right. I'm sorry. Initially, they were to be in Brazil in December, so that's why I had in mind. But finally, they went there beginning of January. Yeah, because the client we have there, it's whole Arabic. He has bought it, but he hasn't used it for 1 year and a half, 2 years, because they were everywhere else, but not on the Arabic. And they decided that they needed to use it from one day to the other. On the pipe, so it was a bit complicated to make it work again.
Which Argos is it?
The number 2.
Argos 2.
Because the system has suffered from storage in the sun, etc. It was a bit complicated. But thanks to Evan and Florent, everything was okay after one day and a half of work, and they could inspect what they had to inspect.
Wow, that's fast.
Yeah.
So basically,
the issues are often easy to fix for the guys who knows
Who
what
works
they
in the
have to do.
field, yeah.
But it's not easy when you are ROV pilot to know everything about the system.
That's true.
Evan is not ROV pilot, right?
No. It's IT engineer and embedded software engineer.
Wow.
He really goes down into the systems. So. And there is also Andres. You don't know him?
Because basically, previously Evan came down, right?
Yeah.
So this guy, I like him a lot because they learn a lot on the system.
Yeah, he's very knowledgeable. It's very good.
Yeah, he's good. And he's young
Yes.
to be so good.
To be so good.
Yeah. Really.
And his age
Really
to be like that is
He's smart, yeah.
He's smart, and then what I appreciate is it always goes to the end of the topic, of the subject he has to handle. So to the documentation, everything is okay. I used one documentation he made this morning because the laptop was, I didn't turn it off yesterday. So when I restarted it this morning, what I had to be executed on the laptop was not running as expected. Thanks to the documentation,
You followed everything
I
wow.
could do what I had to do. So it's great to have a guy like
so
him.
Evan doing all the documentation.
Not all, but when he's doing something, it goes to the down to the documentation.
Yeah, he
finishes
finishes it.
Yeah. So. And Andres, I was about to talk about, is almost the same guy.
Oh.
Really smart with embedded systems.
Wow.
He's the one that has developed the front camera I showed you this morning.
The new upscale.
The new upscam, yeah. So we were rather not completely satisfied about the previous upscam we had, previous version. So we decided to put inside some electronics that we have chosen, and with some chips that are able to process the video stream very fast and stream them using new technologies like WebRTC. That's the way we have them directly on the web HMI. So you don't have to open any software, configure any, click on the video and you get. And we implemented on that camera something that is computed on the camera itself, on the electronics I was talking about, which is the visibility enhancement. So you have very low latencies, even with the visibility enhancement feature. So you will see probably that here, because the water is really muddy. In the sea, it's really. I can show you a couple of videos.
But the enhancement is based on the programming system of the,
of the camera.
like playing with the contrast and all.
Yes.
So for the Argos software, right?
Yes.
But after finish this
demo, I take back the camera, and we will
convert to the original version.
Yeah, that's the idea. Except The announcement and the access to the video streams directly on. So it's like a mix between what you had and what you saw this morning.
To install the canopy.
Yeah, yes. I was talking about Force YouTube channel. If you want to go there and see
YouTube
easily. So that's what I did. Oops, I have to click on it.
commercial.
Ignore it. Here we go.
Oh yeah.
The visibility is enhanced here. And what you see later in the video is that the camera is auto-calibrating from time to time. So we have to add some buttons to make it happen when we need to.
Is it auto calibration or we need
Auto.
to? Oh, auto.
But that's the original image actually.
Oh.
I'm not sure you would have seen the tracking. Yeah. You saw? You see?
Yeah.
So that's really impressive when
It
comes
is.
first run. So
But this one is more to like a greenish type of water. How about like a muddy, the brown type of water?
we have to test everything
Yeah.
still, but
We can test tomorrow here.
yeah.
Yeah.
This type of
We'll see what
water.
we see at on the seabed. But the idea is that we keep the same algorithm inside and just change the configuration, the parameters of the algorithms. So from time to time, maybe we will have like some press settings, and we will choose the one we want to use depending on the environment.
Huh?
Nak buat dia pasal.
The install. We'll try again tomorrow. Bye.